Hello, I'm Tom Varner, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we've come to the Fargo Moorhead Visitors Center in Fargo, North Dakota, to see the wood chipper from the movie Fargo. Now you might be thinking that this is the wood chipper that was used in the movie, but it's not. It's a stunt double. The real one's inside. And there it is, the wood chipper. Now normally they let you take photo ops. Joe and Ethan Coen, their signature. Some other props from the movie. Now normally when you're here, during regular, more normal times, they'll give you a prop hat and they'll let you touch the wood chipper and pretend like you're stuffing a leg in and whatnot. But due to the pandemic, you're not allowed to do that right now. So you can just take pictures of the wood chipper or you standing next to it. Kind of the interesting thing, at least what I find interesting, is that the movie Fargo, the Coen Brothers movie, didn't give the city of Fargo a really good reputation. It didn't make it look like a very good place, in all honesty. However, the city embraced the film and the fame that came from that film and have added it in and made it a part of their tourism. And it's really cool because they took something that was a negative and turned it into something that was a positive. And so it's just part of the American spirit there. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thanks for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap.